I'm Justice Doust, a precision ag specialist from Nelson Motors and Equipment, and today I'm going to show you guys how to navigate through your G5 display to find your software version. You'll need to know the current version of your software on your display for any troubleshooting issues. This is usually one of the first questions we ask for any problem solving in any display issues that we're dealing with. If you have a 2630 display, the steps are different, so you'll need to watch the 2630 video that we will link to the video in the description below. First, let's start by powering on our machine and display. So once our display loads, we're going to be brought into either our home page or some may call it your run page. And we're going to start by selecting our bottom right-hand corner button, which is green in color, that reads Menu. From there, it brings us to our menu page, and we're going to look for the button that reads System on the left-hand side. Within System, we then look for the button that reads Software Manager, located in the middle of your screen, and we're going to click that. Within Software Manager, this is where we're going to find the information we're looking for, system information, and from there, we're going to find the information we're looking for. Software version on this display is 24.1, which tells me I need to get a hold of a precision ag specialist to come and do an update for me. It's good practice to be familiar with what current software version your display is on and what current software versions are available to you at any time. And there you have it. That's how you find your current software version on your G5 display. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can always reach out to us online to get one-on-one support. I'm Justice from Nelson Motors and Equipment.